The WorkPro electric spin scrubber is a versatile cleaning solution designed to make household chores easier and more efficient. This cordless cleaning brush features a long adjustable handle, allowing you to tackle hard-to-reach areas like ceilings, corners, or deep bathtubs without straining your back or arms. With its innovative 3-speed motor, this electric spin scrubber ensures powerful, customizable cleaning for different surfaces, whether you're scrubbing tough grease in the kitchen, soap scum in the bathroom, or dirt on the floor. The device is equipped with 8 replaceable brush heads, each tailored for specific cleaning tasks, such as delicate surfaces or heavy-duty grime removal. This ensures you have the right tool for every job, improving cleaning effectiveness and saving time. Customer satisfaction is a priority with the WorkPro electric spin scrubber. Its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended use, while the cordless feature offers the flexibility to move freely without being tethered to an outlet. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for tackling large cleaning projects in one go. To achieve the best results, customers should use the appropriate brush head for their task and adjust the speed to match the surface's requirements. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the brush heads after use and fully charging the device, will enhance its durability and efficiency. For ultimate convenience, the WorkPro electric spin scrubber is lightweight and easy to assemble. Whether you're cleaning tiles, bathtubs, or kitchen counters, this scrubber simplifies the process, leaving your surfaces spotless. Its thoughtful design and robust performance make it a must-have tool for anyone seeking to reduce the effort involved in household cleaning while achieving professional-level results. Invest in this practical cleaning device to save time, protect your energy, and keep your home sparkling clean. The quirky electric spin scrubber is a compact yet powerful handheld cleaning tool designed to take the hassle out of household chores. This cordless shower scrubber is perfect for tackling tough cleaning tasks in the bathroom, kitchen, and beyond. Its dual-speed motor provides adjustable power, allowing you to choose between gentle and intense scrubbing, depending on the task. Equipped with 5 replaceable brush heads, this electric spin scrubber ensures versatility and precision, making it ideal for a range of surfaces, from delicate tiles to stubborn bathtub stains. The waterproof design allows safe use in wet areas, while the ergonomic handheld grip ensures comfort during use, even for extended cleaning sessions. For added convenience, the quirky electric spin scrubber features a modern LED display that keeps you informed about battery life and speed settings. The USB-C rechargeable battery offers fast charging and long-lasting performance, so you can clean multiple areas without interruption. Whether scrubbing grout lines, polishing floors, or cleaning hard-to-reach corners, this spin brush delivers efficient results, making it an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to maneuver, ensuring every corner of your home stays spotless. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's recommended to use the right brush head for the specific surface being cleaned. For instance, use the soft bristle head for delicate materials, and the harder bristles for stubborn grime. Regular cleaning of the brush heads after use will maintain the device's performance and longevity. Charging the scrubber fully before each use is essential to enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions. With its dual-speed, ergonomic design, and user-friendly features, the quirky electric spin scrubber is a practical and reliable tool for anyone looking to save time and effort while achieving professional-level cleanliness. The Dovety Store electric spin scrubber is a powerful and efficient cordless cleaning brush designed to simplify your household cleaning routine. With its lightweight, ergonomic design and innovative features, this electric spin scrubber is perfect for tackling dirt, grime, and stains on various surfaces, including bathtubs, grout, tiles, and floors. Equipped with an adjustable extension handle, it allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly, saving your back and knees from unnecessary strain. The scrubber features 2 adjustable speed settings, enabling you to customize the cleaning power to suit the task at hand, whether it's removing light dust or scrubbing away tough stains. This electric spin scrubber comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, each designed for specific cleaning needs, ensuring optimal results for every surface. The durable and waterproof construction makes it safe for use in wet environments like showers and bathrooms, while its cordless design provides the flexibility to move freely without being restricted by power cords. The rechargeable battery offers extended runtime, so you can complete your cleaning tasks efficiently without frequent recharges. To enhance customer satisfaction, it's essential to choose the right brush head for the specific surface being cleaned. Use softer bristles for delicate areas and firmer ones for tougher stains. Regularly clean the brush heads and fully charge the battery before use to maintain the scrubber's performance and longevity. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable cleaning experience, even for extended periods. With its user-friendly design and versatile functionality, the Dovety Store electric spin scrubber is a must-have for anyone seeking a hassle-free, effective cleaning tool that delivers sparkling results every time. The 2 Electric Spin Scrubber is a state-of-the-art cleaning tool designed to make your household cleaning tasks faster and more efficient. Featuring a 2024 full-body IPX7 waterproof design, this electric spin scrubber is perfect for tackling wet and humid areas such as bathrooms, showers, and tubs. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability, even when used in water-intensive cleaning sessions. Equipped with an LCD power display, the scrubber provides real-time updates on battery life and speed settings, giving you full control over your cleaning process. The adjustable extension handle allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas like ceilings or tight corners without straining your body, making it an ergonomic and user-friendly solution. With 8 replaceable brush heads, this electric spin scrubber offers versatility for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Whether you're scrubbing grout, polishing tiles, or removing stubborn stains from your bathtub, the 2U scrubber has the right tool for every job. The adjustable speed settings allow you to choose between gentle cleaning for delicate surfaces and powerful scrubbing for tougher stains. Its cordless design and rechargeable battery add convenience, enabling you to clean freely without being limited by power cords or frequent recharges. To ensure maximum customer satisfaction, it's important to follow a few simple tips. Use the appropriate brush head for each cleaning task to protect surfaces and achieve optimal results. Fully charge the battery before use to enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Regularly rinse and maintain the brush heads to keep them in excellent condition for long-term use. The adjustable handle not only enhances comfort, but also allows users of different heights to clean with ease. The 2 Electric Spin Scrubber combines innovative features, durable construction, and versatile functionality to deliver a superior cleaning experience, making it an essential tool for the Cordless Store 7-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile and highly efficient cleaning solution designed to simplify your bathroom cleaning routine. With its sleek black design and ergonomic features, this electric spin scrubber is not just a cleaning tool, but a stylish addition to your home essentials. Equipped with a long handle, it allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly, making it ideal for showers, floors, and even toilet surfaces. The scrubber comes with 7 replaceable brush heads, ensuring you have the right tool for every cleaning task, from scrubbing delicate tiles to tackling tough grime on bathroom floors. The adjustable handle design enhances comfort and flexibility, while the powerful motor delivers consistent scrubbing action, saving you time and energy compared to manual cleaning. The Cordless electric spin scrubber is also cordless, providing freedom of movement, and its rechargeable battery ensures extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Its robust construction and waterproof design make it safe for use in wet environments, adding to its durability and practicality. For maximum customer satisfaction, it's essential to choose the right brush head for each cleaning task. For instance, softer heads are ideal for delicate surfaces, while firmer ones work well for stubborn stains. Fully charging the scrubber before use will provide uninterrupted performance, and cleaning the brush heads after each session will maintain their quality and effectiveness. The long handle can be adjusted to suit different cleaning angles, reducing strain and making it accessible for users of all heights. With its user-friendly features, reliable performance, and versatile design, the Ocrego Store 7-in-1 electric spin scrubber is a must-have for anyone seeking a hassle-free and effective cleaning experience.